Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Gauri. I am Gauri. Today we are going to dig deeper in the topic of Nobel Prize winner for the year 2021 in Physiology and Medicine. This year's Nobel Prize concerned with our senses, the senses which perceive information and interpret in the form of signal. The senses which are used by our body are eyes for vision, ear for hearing, mouth for taste, nose for smelling. Just imagine you are walking on a field in the summer morning and experiencing the warmness of that sun and coolness of morning breeze. While walking barefooted, you can feel the texture of that grass underneath your feet. Touch and texture, all these feelings in scientific language is known as a somatosensation. Somatosensation gives our body the feel of temperature. So friends, let's take an example. When taking a coffee on the go, a flow of information from a sensors in your legs and arms keep track on their position in space. You can see in this figure when a coffee mug which is hot, when we hold it, the sensor in our skin register the texture, size and shape of that coffee mug and how warm it is and correct the grip and strength to keep a hold on that cup. This impression of touch and temperature are feeling which rely on somatosensations. Somatosensations gives our body ability to feel body surfaces internally and externally. It monitors the temperature, touch, pain and movement of our body called proprioception along with the location. And this information continuously flows through the skin and allows us to connect with external and internal world. So you must be thinking, why am I telling you all these things? Because this research and all the experiments are already discovered, but the new thing which were discovered was the receptors which actually senses all these signals. During the past years, scientists discovered specialized sensory neurons which have long processes called nerves. The nerves are located in various organs such as skin or muscles. They register changes in our external and internal environment. There are different types of nerves that detect different kinds of stimuli such as heat and touch. So you can see in this image, red color is heat and green color is touch. But the unknown was this yellow color ball. Yellow color ball is the receptor which was discovered by this year's Nobel Prize winner scientist. So scientist was curious about this thing, that these signals are passed through nerves and convert into nerve impulse, but which receptors exactly senses this biological signal? So this mystery was solved by this year's Nobel Prize winner known as David Julius and Ardem Patapoutian. So now I am going to discuss about the work of David Julius. David Julius is an American physiologist and his work was on molecular receptor for heat and pain sensation, and he is a professor at the University of California, San Diego. This is the experiment designed by David Julius and his co-worker. The important ingredient for their experiment was chili pepper. You can see the red color fruit is a chili pepper. Inside chili pepper an active compound is present known as a capsaicin. So they extracted the DNA fragment from that capsaicin and make millions of copy. For this activity they taken sensory neuron cells. You can see this blue color sensory neuron RNA and made samples of that sensory neuron cell. The pink color petri plates are the sample which are insensitive to the capsaicin, while the green color petri plate is a sensitive to the capsaicin. And this was the discovery in which they find out the novel protein or a receptor which is for capsaicin known as a TRPV1 and awarded the Nobel Prize. After the discovery of TRPV1 receptor, Julius worked on the temperature sensitivity of that particular receptor. So, in this image you can see when the temperature reaches more than 40 degrees Celsius, the ion channel TRPV1 opens, while when it is less than 40 degrees Celsius, it remains closed. So friends, now I am going to talk about the work of Ardem Pataputian. Ardem Pataputian is an American molecular biologist and neuroscientist. He was working on the molecular receptor for touch and pressure. He works at the University of California, Los Angeles. Ardem Pataputian and Julius combined work on a cold sensitive receptor and discovered TRPM8. Talking about the Ardem Pataputian's experiment, in a simple words, when we poke inside our hand, you can see this black color image is of hand. The nerve impulse travel through the arms. So zooming inside the skin cell, you can see this red color is a skin cell and poking is a mechanical force, and this mechanical force was measured by Ardem Pataputian. In the Ardem Pataputian's experiment, they have extracted a 72 candidate gene which was responsible for touch receptor. So these are the 72 candidate genes you can see in the blue color, and I have already given you example of poking. So this is the mechanism behind that. This was the Ardem Pataputian experiment. In this experiment, he identified 72 candidate genes which have critical sensor activated by mechanical force. From gene number 1 to 71 was silenced by poking, while the gene number 72 was not sensitive to poking and was lost the senses. So here he discovered the mechanosensitive receptor and named as a piezo1, that is PIEZO1. Piezo means pressure in a Greek. Along with that, he also discovered a second gene known as a piezo2. So the piezo1 gene is responsible for ion channel activated by mechanical forces, while piezo2 protein was responsible for long sword sensor for touch and proprioception. So the discovery of all these novel proteins are very important in the field of medicine, and these proteins can be used for further applications like drug development, detection of heat and touch pain, inflammatory pains, neuropathic pains. So friends, to make this video, I read many articles regarding this research along with the Nobel Prize ceremony on the YouTube. As a biotechnologist, I am very interested in this topic, and while studying about this topic, I realized that in the medicine many discoveries are still unknown, and we have to do many research along with other researches. If you find this topic useful to your friends and yourself also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. When I will upload my new video, you will get notified. Bye.